Hi, Jojo. We're going to read a book together. Mama said she was going to read you a book. We're going to read about big and little. Yeah, you see that big baby? And then that's a little baby. And look, it's holding a little bear. And there's a little bear. Okay, here we go. Let's see what's in the book. Here we go. Mommy's going to turn the page. Let me see where the page went. Okay, there it is. Okay, here we go. I see a little bed. Look at that little tiny bed. And I see a big bed. You see Jojo? We're going to pretend that little boy's Jojo. He's a big boy. And he's in a nice big bed. That boy's not. Look at this little boy. That little boy is in a little bed. Yeah. Where is the big bed? Is that one a big bed? No. Is this one the big bed with the big boy? What? Yes. Yes, it is. Good job, Jojo. Okay, let's see what's next. Remember I told you Bubba and Mama were going to get on a boat? Look, here's two boats. I see a little boat. Oh, there's the little one. Yep. And I see a big boat. Ooh, look at that big boat. Yeah, let's see. Where is the big boat? Is this one the big boat? No. Is this one the big boat? What'd you say? Yes! That one is the big boat. Let's see. Oh, I see a big baby. I see a little baby. The little baby has a little bear. And the big baby has a big bear. Can you say the word baby? Baby. Can you say big? Where is the big baby? Which one? Can you point to it? Oh, I think you're doing a good job. Yes, here is the big baby. And the baby has a binky. Yeah. Yeah. All right, let's see what's next. Oh, what is that? What is that? Yes, you're right. It's a bee. I see a little bee. Bzzz. I see a big bee. Bzzz. Oh, yeah, let's see. Where is the big bee? Can you point to it? Yes, you're right. This one is the big bee. And it's smiling. Yeah. Oh, now we have balloons. I see how many balloons? I see one balloon. I see two balloons. Yes. I see a little blue. Is it blue? Can you say blue? Oh, that's a good job. And I see a big blue balloon. Yeah, you see that balloon? What is it? Oh, yeah, it's a balloon. Good job. Now, where is the big balloon? Do you see the big blue one? Yep. Can you point to it? And you say big. Yep. Here it is. Here's the big one. Big. All right, let's see. Now we have the bears. I see a nice little bear. And I see a big brown bear. You see the color brown? Yeah. Do you like it? Yeah, I'm going to tickle it. Tickle, tickle, tickle. Look, it's smiling. It's happy. All right, let's see. Here. Where is the big one? Is this bear big? No, that bear's little. Is this bear big? Oh, yeah, You're right. Can you say big? Oh, good job. Can you say bear? Yes. Can you count the bears? There's one bear. Two bears. 1, 2. Good job, baby. Oh, I see many big and little things. Yes. Can you I spy? Can you spy? What do you see? Can you find the baby? Go to the baby. Do you see the baby? Do you see it? You're right. There's the baby. Can you find the balloon? Yes, point to the balloon. Did you find it? Oh, yes, there it is. Good job. How about the boat? Do you see the boat? I do too. There's the boat. Good job. Did you say boat for Mommy? All right, now what about the bee? Do you see it? It's hiding. Oh, look. There it is. It's at the end of the bed and it's hiding. Yes. Can you say bee? Oh, yes. Bee. Good job. All right, now do you see the little boy? You see the little boy going night-night? Where is he? Oh, yeah, he is in the bed, the night-night bed. We have one more thing. Do you see the bear? Can you say bear? Bear. Oh, there he is. He dropped his bear on the floor. I bet he's like JoJo and threw the bear onto the floor. You throw your toys, don't you? Yes. Let's see. I think that's the end. That's the end of our book. Did you like your big and little book? Yes. I love you, JoJo. The end.